Tommy, guys, look at him. I feel like it's too small, but he looks so cute. Just look, he's like, what is this I'm having on my back? Just look at him. It's so cute. I think with time you'll be seeing him with more of these outfits. But I feel like this is too small for him, guys. But he's cute, right? I think next time I should do large or extra large for him. Tommy? Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and for your support. For the person who's watching me for the very first time, my name is Sandra and welcome to the family. So guys, I am so excited because I had ordered some stuff from AliExpress late December, early January, and I actually have them here. Let me show you. Guys, these are all the stuffs I ordered from AliExpress, all these. And actually, most of these stuffs, actually 99% of these stuffs belongs to Stormy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox them and then I'm going to see whether they meet my expectations, because AliExpress has disappointed me. The last packages I opened, they were like somehow kind of disappointing. So right now I'm going to unbox all these and then see. So let's do this. So guys, I've been looking for scissors in this house. I don't know where I kept my scissors, so I'm going to use this knife and see. Oh, this is bigger, guys. This banana is way bigger than the other one. Wow, it's actually cute. Yeah, I actually love it. I love the material and everything else. I love this. So I'm going to put on his neck later and see. So this is the first one. As we count, let's go to the second one. I have no idea what it is, but this is one of his tops. Dude. I feel like it's kind of small. Guys, this is too small for him. And actually, no, it's actually not even a stretcher. This is small. Hey, I need a small dog. If this is medium, then this was small or medium. I have no idea. Guys, this is too small for him. I'm pretty sure he's not even going to fit here. But it's so cute, but it's too small. Disappointment number one. Actually, it was, let me see. What was that paper? Yeah, that's number one. Disappointment number one. Let's go to disappointment number two, because I'm pretty sure all these stuffs are too small for him. Yet, they are too small. This one looks like it's bigger. Actually, yeah, this is way better actually, but it's too small, guys. Just look. What is this now? What size am I supposed to be buying Storm? Because I did a medium for him. I did not do the small one. Because if this is medium, guys, what do you expect? Hey, I feel like I've already felt like I wasted my money. What is this? I had actually bought this for my Christmas tree, and the Christmas was it's over, so I have to use these ones next year. This year, Christmas. Let's continue getting disappointed. Oh yeah, his nail cutter. This is what I was waiting for this. So how am I going to open this? Yeah, at least, yeah, this is good. I'm going to use it and I'm going to tell you, because I have to cut his nails. He really has big nails. So what was that? 4. Go to 5. For like yeah, it's actually working. This is to remove his hairs from all over, because he's shedding right now. So like when you see my seats, they're like full of his hairs. Let's see whether this is going to disappoint. So far the clothes have disappointed me. It's another cloth. Okay guys, see, it's actually medium. I don't know what I'm going to be ordering for him, because guys, look at their medium, seriously. And the way they're so cute, look at the medium. But I think this one, yeah, this one is more of a stretcher. Yeah, this one he can actually put it on. Yeah, we'll see, we'll try and see, guys. But you've seen, this is their medium, guys. So tells me if this is their medium, how about their small one? But I feel like, okay, we'll see. We'll see, we'll just, before I start ranting. Actually had gotten lots of, yeah, now this is more like it. This is more like it, guys. Yeah, this is more like it, and it's light. Yeah, this is more like it. I feel like Storm will fit here. Let's compare the sizes for this. But I feel like he's only going to wear them for like a week or so, even less than a week. Actually the same. Yeah, see guys, this is too small compared. These two, they are way too small. See, this is still too small. So those are 4. In those, at least, like I feel like 2 of them are going to fit him. This looks bigger. Now this is more like it. Guys, this is more like it. Yeah, I love this one, it's big. Now this is more like it. I love this. And it's more of like yeah, I love this. I'm actually going to put on him this one. I'll try to put him all these stuffs and see close to it. How? We are going to get trouble along the way. So this is medium. Yeah, now this is more like it. This is going to fit him. Ah, God. I think I'm losing my mind, guys. Yeah. It's actually cute. I feel like this one is going to fit him for going to the beach, for going to vacation. I feel like those 2 are going to fit him. What is this? I feel like this is not mine. This is not mine. This is not mine, so I have to take it back. Oh yeah, and I bought these glasses. I lost my glasses when I was traveling, so like I needed some extra glasses. I actually love them. Yeah, I love them. These 2. Actually 2 of them. They're 2 pairs. How many clothes did I buy? I also bought this one. Also, this is cute. It has a BCD, and it's this one is a stretcher, guys. It's a stretcher. So those three, I kind of have a feeling they're going to fit. Jeez, how many clothes did I buy for them? Also, this is big. This is his size. Yeah, this is going to fit. Okay, how many clothes did I buy for him? This is another one. Whoa, guys, this is too small. Jeez. Oh yeah, it's big. I almost had a heart attack. It's like it's actually like the same. No, this is small. I guess this is way bigger, but yeah, we'll see. I'm almost done. I have one package that is not mine. I have just to call the person and tell them I have their package. I don't know why I would be given someone else's package, guys. Why? Ah, more glasses for me. I bought these glasses for the girls. I don't know why they didn't pack for me pink one. Disappointment, but anyway. Last. His feeding bowl. I need to buy scissors again. This is his feeding bowl. I don't know how it's going to, because for the last since I got him, I bought him the normal plates, and I needed this. So I'll give him his first meal here, and I'm going to see. So guys, those are all the stuffs I think I bought from AliExpress, and especially when it comes to clothes, these 4 of them, I don't think they're going to fit him. And I've never really tried to do a return or a refund for AliExpress, but anyway, we are going to see. So guys, in the next video, you're going to see him in his clothes, because this video is way too long. So I'm going to cut this video here. Make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Bye guys.